Alright everybody, I got another experiment I want to do with sparklers. And I have a few boxes of them. You know, these are, I don't know how old these damn things are. They're very old. My friend gave them to me and, oh okay, hey, Youngstown, Ohio. This contents made in China, Diamond Sparklers, Youngstown, Ohio 44502, packaged in USA. And there are 6 pieces, 8 assorted colors. I don't know what the colors are, but anyways. Yeah, that's weird. Number 8. 6 pieces, number 8. Let's just give it a look, see what these things look like. Alright. And looks like a regular sparkler to me. Okay, that must be red, blue. Hell, I don't know what color that is, but they're tipped. The tips have the colors on them. I don't know if that's true. Anyways, what I was thinking about doing with these stupid things is I got a steel tube here that I've had on my machine for a few years, and I was like, I use it for different things, you know, poke and prod, whatever. It's hollow. It's almost like an arrow shaft, but I bet you this is more of a gas line or a brake line. Probably a brake line. Well, anyways, what I want to do is cut off a little section, crimp the end shut, like break a bunch of this stuff off, fill it up a little bit, and run a fuse down in there and see what happens when the fuse goes down. Is it gonna just, it's gonna shoot out like one of them cone fountains for the 4th of July. That's probably what's gonna happen. Then if that works pretty well, if that works, I'm gonna get the rest of these and do as much as I can and do the same thing over, and then see what we can do with it. You know, see what it looks like and see if it works pretty cool. I don't know, just something I was thinking of. I got these, and these things are probably at least 20 years old, so let's get cracking. So what I went and did, and I took it out in a vise, I cut it off, and I smashed the end down, and then this side, this is for the small one, and then this side I did the same thing with. And now, I'm just going to get a pair of pliers, and I should probably do it on a piece of paper. It'd be easier to mess with instead of trying to scoop it up. That way I can fold it and dump it in the thing when I'm ready. See, they break off pretty easy. Just smash it and it comes right off. And slowly dump it in as good as I can. Come on. I don't have a funnel that small, but we'll get it in there. Maybe. It's just making a big mess. It's not. It actually took less than I thought it was going to take. Put a couple more pinches in there, I guess. Alright. I think that's about as full as I'm going to get it. So, it didn't take much at all. I don't know why it didn't take that much. It probably something in there. I didn't look before I crimped it up. Anyways, let's get a fuse and stick it down in there. So now I got this. You can buy this in the coils like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half so it has like two fuses go down in there, and then it'll be like a little bit hotter to ignite that stuff. So let's go outside, stick it in the ground, and light it and see what happens. Now I got my torch. Now this sucker will light. I'm really slow. Okay, that was cool. Alright. Now let that cool off and go try it on a bigger scale. So I got them all stripped off the wire, and this is what I got. They're kind of big pieces, and they wouldn't fit. I know they wouldn't fit down in that hole very easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a container, and I'm going to add a marble or two, and then shake this container, and it'll slowly break it down, and it'll make it into a finer dust. And I'll just roll it around, and that should just do it. Do it after a while, and then it'll fit right down in the tube. Then we'll see how far we got. I was also thinking about putting it in here. This is an old, an e-cigarette battery case. I was like, why couldn't I just put it in here and just drop a fuse down in that and see what it looks like? And it'd probably be just like the, I don't know if it would burn that fast. It didn't burn that fast in that tube, so I don't know if I want to use this or not. You know what? I'm going to use this. I'm going to fill this up with these. I ain't going to use this tube. Because as it burns down through, I'm just thinking now, as it burns down through, I don't think it's going to shoot fire out far enough out of the tip as it gets down to the end. So if I have it here, it'll be a lot of surface area burning. So let me put it in here and see what we can get, how much we can fill that thing up with, or how much we can fill it up. It looks like it's pretty much going to go to the top. Yes, it is. Yeah, I still have some left over. I can take these outside, put them in a line, and light them and see what we get. So I'm going to put this cap on here to keep it safe and, you know. Let's go outside and lay these out and see what we get when I light them. Here, I got it. Let's start it on this side and see what we get. It's pretty bright. Alright. Alright. That's a lot of damn smoke. Let's examine what it did. Just burned the concrete. That's it. Well, here we are up in the woods. I have 3 fuses tied together, and it should be hot enough to start that after when 3 of them are cooking. So let's light it and see what we get. Oh, a lot of smoke. It turned out pretty good. Didn't last too long. Lasted longer than the other one. Wow. That's pretty warm. Well, that's about it. That worked pretty good. Alright. There you go. I gotta go home and take a shower. I smell like smoke. Thanks for watching.